warm breeze, shallow turquoise waters, and a pace of life that instantly slows you down. Our journey begins as we cross to Holbox Island, one of Mexico's most peaceful tropical escapes, where nature sets the rhythm. We explore the surrounding islands as by boat, starting at Yalahau cenote, a hidden freshwater spring where crystal-clear water invites a refreshing swim. Next, we stop at Isla de la Pasión, a quiet stretch of sand surrounded by turquoise water, perfect for slowing down and enjoying the moment. Our final stop is Punta Mosquito, a shallow coastline known for bird life, wide skies, and postcard-perfect scenery. Back on Holbox, relax on pristine beaches, swim in calm waters, and enjoy the island's laid-back atmosphere at your own pace. Escape the crowds and discover Holbox the natural way. Join our Holbox tour and secure your spot in this Caribbean paradise. Book now and let the island do the rest.